You mentioned maintenance. Let's talk a little bit about that. What are all the maintenance used to be done on paper, and how can technology or AI, for that matter, help with maintenance or PMI?
Oh gosh, I love this question. So I think I like anything fleet. We can talk about everything fleet and safety and sustainability. Um, when I think about maintenance, I think the fundamental part or the foundation for the best type of maintenance program is vehicle inspections, right? So it's understanding what's going on with the assets over and above what the asset tells you or what the driver tells you. So having this inspection that encompasses the vehicle and gets the vehicle off on a fitness journey, right? Every day and throughout its life cycle. And then the second piece to the inspection is the inspection then feeding the maintenance program. So that data flows from the inspection into the maintenance program. So there's visibility to what's going on with the asset every single day. And then, of course, the asset is going to share its own data through the ECM or whatever. It depends on if we're talking about a vehicle or yellow iron, doesn't matter. They can send coding and information so that an organization has an understanding of how the vehicle is performing throughout its life.